This video, I'll show you how to install simple native trainer in GTA 4 in a quick and easy way. Check my video description for this mod link. Just scroll down and select the download option and select start download. Will start downloading. Let's scroll down, check another link, select the download option and select start download. After download done, select this folder icon, right click on this script hook and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Just close tab here, right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this mod, back up your GTA 4 game folder. Just copy and paste it in same location and rename this to backup. Once you're done, just open this ASI Loader, drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Then just go back, open this simple native trainer, drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder, replace the file in the destination. Once this all done, launch the game. Once you are in game, press the F3 to open this simple native trainer and use the 8 and 2 key in the numpad to choose options. To select options, use 5 in the numpad. To go back, use the 0 key. And to testing this mod, I'm just changing this weather. The trainer is working fine, as you can see. To close this menu, press the backspace to close this simple native trainer. And as you can see, the mod is working fine. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.